Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use monday.com to manage all of your tasks, or how you can use monday.com for task management. So there is a template that you can use that is very helpful, and you can use that template by going into workspace, pressing this blue button, and then selecting choose from templates. Here you have to search for task, and you get these two templates. First one is design weekly task, and the second one is design basically the same thing, but this one is general template and this one is work management. So let me select this one and then select use template, and it will set up the template in a while. So guys, as you can see, it has created a new board in my workspace called design weekly tasks. I can change the name to just weekly tasks. If I like to change the name, I can change the name to weekly task, and that's perfect. Now I can add tasks for my week, like for day 1 I can add tasks here, for day 2, for day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7 I can add tasks. And if I want to manage monthly tasks, let's say I want to manage monthly tasks, all I have to do is to write monthly, and that's it. Now I can manage monthly tasks in monday.com. For example, I add a task here and I added status, and I can basically add all of my tasks and manage all of my tasks here. So this is how you manage your tasks in monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.